If you want to know how we achieve this front zigzag HowCome Gele head wrap, let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Tech Beauty. My people, learning time. Yes, so this is what we call rope, HowCome, zigzag. Anyhow you are led, name this style, but it's we call it HowCome. The front, this front I'm about to create, we call it HowCome. Many people call it zigzag. So what you need is just to focus your eye, my people. Focus your eye. This zigzag is what we call customized gele at the front. We normally do it for celebrant, whoever is doing celebration or photo shoot. Because this one you can't get it for the guest, except you customize your gele. Okay, what I'm using now, this material is ashoke. I tear the ashoke material, I turn it into rope. Yes, many people ask me what is the name of this rope you are using. It's ashoke. Just give your tailor to tear it, turn it into rope. That is how you can get this material, my people. Yes, so my people, so just focus your eye and concentrate your eye on my hand. If you want to know more chronic explanation, I have a new YouTube channel. This same style is there. It's just that the top of this style is different, but this same zigzag is there on my new YouTube channel. In case you are watching me from YouTube people, I have new YouTube channel. The name of my new YouTube channel is Tech Beauty. That place, my new YouTube channel, we always do live on YouTube with more chronic explanation, makeup explanation, Gele head wrap explanation. In case you have interest, you want to learn. Not everybody that want to learn. In case you want to learn, subscribe to my new YouTube channel. The description box, the name is on my description box. This video they watch from YouTube now. So go to my description box. You will see my new YouTube channel name is Tech Beauty Life. Now live on Facebook, live on YouTube, that what they do there with explanation. Okay, my people. But in case you are still watching me from Facebook, I have two Facebook as well. This one they watch me. I do live on Facebook as well. I still have new YouTube, new Facebook, which is called Tech Beauty Life. That is that same place I do this same style with chronic explanation. So I have two Facebook page, I have two YouTube. But this YouTube where you are watching me from, we don't have time to do explanation. We do upload video. Upload video, the only thing you can just achieve, just focus your eye, and then you will gain one or two things. But if you come to my new YouTube, we do serious explanation there. But if you are in a hurry, you don't have patience to stay there and watch the explanation, don't come. Okay, my people, life is very balanced. Yes, once you are able to achieve this zigzag for front, but as I earlier said, I don't get time to do more explanation on this front zigzag. That is why I just recommend you to come to my live on Facebook, or if you are watching me from YouTube, come to my live on YouTube. Thank you. Okay, so once you manage to achieve this front, so now any style you like, you do on top. Once you manage to achieve this front zigzag, any style you like, you now create it on top of this zigzag. You can create round, you can create fan, you can create rosemary, you can create ruffles, any style. You can create rose and his sister will be rosemary. Okay, my people, that is it. Yes, but me, I want to create bow tie on top of this my front zigzag. The main title for this video is front zigzag. So focus your eye and try and practice. As you do so, God will bless you. Yes, I want to say Merry Xmas to you all. Season greetings. We have seen the beginning of this year. By the special grace of God, we all will see the end of this year in the name of Jesus. None of us will be missing in this year. We all will see the year 2023 with sound and heady in the name of Jesus. Yes, my people. Yes, so you see what I am doing there? I just take it from back, the other gele, then I take it from back and not time for front. Then it's easy, because the way I'm explaining now, I want to put music all throughout, because where I am in a noisy area always. For me to get this silent place, I have to go to the bedroom or just lock myself, because I'm not at home. I'm not at home. I'm always in a noisy area. We know when you're in a noisy area, you are doing voice on top your video, the noise at the background, it's not good. So I wanted to put music all over. That is why you see some of my video, I just put music from the beginning to the end. That my music, Deck Baby, carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deck Beauty House. Once you achieve this front, just fold down, fold it, use pin for the area where you need pin. It's very easy. In case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. I dey say UK. I dey say London. In case you want to book me for your photo shoot, we do photo shoot. I have a studio here. I do photo shoot, birthday photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot, children photo shoot, any photo shoot at all, my people, contact me. If you want to do makeup, contact me. If you want to do gele, contact me. If you want to do any head wrap, contact me. If you want to do traditional bridal hair for any tribe, contact me. Oh cuckoo, oh yeah, oh cuckoo. If you know you are from Edo State, you even though you are not from Edo State, you want to present yourself as the queen of the day. Oh God, contact me. Let me come and give you the latest okuku traditional bridal hair. Don't go and use all those cap, all those bead cap. Now cultural group they use all those ones. That one are old days pattern. Me we do marriage 16 years ago. I don't even use cap. You understand? Though they still do the one that is trendy then for me. But not to talk of you that is this time 2022, 2023. You want to do traditional marriage. You are looking for one rubber cap of beads to put for your head for your marriage. My sister, that is error of the day. So contact me to come and give you the latest boza traditional bridal hair style for you. Okay, my number is there. I'm available to travel. That is the picture you will see after your marriage. You will be super excited. Yes, so I sell makeup product as well, original. Not be all those makeup wey don sour, where some people they buy for wrong seller. Me, my own original one. I sell perfume. You're supposed to smell good. I sell pocket perfume, small perfume as well. You can buy for your teenage children. Your children supposed to they smell so good, they scent so good. That is the duty of every mother and father, especially with the mothers. Please, my number is there. I want to end this video. This video will soon finish. My number is there for more information. Thank you. See you on my next video. Comment, share, like. Bye.
Looking good and looking nice.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry